Time to get into another edition of The Sweeper. Another day, another record for Cristiano Ronaldo. His brace against Bayern Munich yesterday made him the first player to reach 100 goals in European competition. Good luck in trying to tell him he's not the best in the world now. And from the best to the worst in that game, I know they're always telling us to shoot for the moon in life. Well, Arturo Vidal took that saying a little too seriously with this penalty kick, and we're all still waiting for it to land. Elsewhere in the Champions League, Dortmund and Monaco may have faced off on the pitch, but their fans stood united off of it, with Dortmund fans showing the traveling Monaco fans the definition of hospitality. Football was truly the main winner this week. And finally, this goal from the United Soccer League that just might be the best thing you'll see all day, or week, or month for that matter. That's all she wrote for today. Be sure to catch more of The Sweeper on ESPNFC.com.